Well, I wanted to make this little brief movie because we started off this morning with a very thin old chemtrails, and they just came blowing through not too long ago. And as you can see, this chemtrail is, let me see if I can, there, that's much better. They pull it through another old one that's already formed a nimbus, and it's expanded, and when they pull it through, this helps create more cloud. And from what I get online, and what makes sense, common sense, is that there really is virtually no real cloud cover anymore because of what's happening in space. And that would be either another planet on its way that comes every 3,600 years, or just the answer to the Earth's cry. And I don't know if you can see, but this is really an old trail. And it spread out, becomes that haze. And this almost looks real, doesn't it? Yep, it does look like a real cloud, but it isn't. It is not. Within that haze, you can still see the line. But the problem with what they're doing is they say it's for global warming, but CO2 is leaving the Earth according to NASA. So why are they doing it? The chemicals that they are administering in these clouds, aluminum, well, aluminum does occur naturally in the crust, but dropping it on us from the sky is a totally different story. So, I mean, you're breathing it, you're eating it, you're drinking it. But what are they applying aluminum to the sky for? Well, they can do a lot with it. There's a lot of things that can be done with aluminum. It can be used as a screening device, as the free-flowing electrons go through the ionosphere and they're stimulated. Well, then they can control those electrons and do lots of goody things with them. You know, no holds barred now. We're in a new time, and we either get them to stop or tell the truth, whatever it may be. I'd like to have the truth. They continue on doing it. No matter how many times I call and explain that this is called an ACF, an artificial cloud formation, and as you can see, the old one is spreading and become a haze soon, or might be able to form into a full-fledged cloud. The electricity flowing in is breaking up the cloud cover at just as fast as they lay the trails. So they said we're going to get rain in 2 days, so I say they're going to have to work us pretty heavy today. Alright, signing off from Buskirk.